Welcome.
Hello everybody, it's the Northwest Adventure, and what we are doing today is just a few minutes ago I removed this monofilament line from my pen reel. So basically what I am going to do, since this last year on the Jetty has been treacherous,
See what I mean, Vern?
and the rocks will give you plenty of snags if you don't work it right. And whether you work it right or not, you are going to lose quite a bit of this compared to sitting out in your neighborhood lake fishing for trout. So I'm going to switch it up to this YO-ZURI strongest braid, super braid, 40 pound. So we're going to give this a shot, see how it works out. What I'll do now is spool it up to this reel.
Replacing mono with braid.
Stuff is incredibly thin. Yep, want to have all the tangles and rat's nest looking things happening. So first thing I'm going to do is pop that bad boy open. And we don't need that. Then I'll take this and just break my way through. Boom. So we'll use this as a spool to get everything reeled up.
I almost said, let's use it as a spear.
All right.
And if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, so you can stay up to date with the latest stuff, so you know where we're going, why we're going, and what our intent is. I like to fish, I like to hunt, I like to hike, I like to crab. I do all sorts of stuff. Stay in touch with the Northwest Adventure.
Right. Cool thing about this reel here, you got this little rubber piece here. And so rumor has it, when you use braid and you don't have a surface like this, it just kind of keeps going round and round and round and really doesn't let you get started when you try to spool it up. So most folks will put black tape around here, one or two spins of it, squeeze it down, boom, start your stuff from there, but I don't think I need to. So here we go, and this is very thin. You may or may not be able to see it well. Let's get it around here. Stuff is so thin, might be hard for you to see. So here's what we're going to do. Go here, and hopefully you can see that. I'm making a circle, and I'm going to go through it about a minimum of 3 times.
Now that I'm looking at this video, I can realize that you cannot see the stuff at all. So I'm going to grab some crab line, which is much thicker, and whip that together. It's a very simple knot, and you'll master it in at least 2 tries.
Right. Then from there you want to get it wet, either in the rain, by dropping it in the lake, or giving it a quick lick. So let me give it the quick lick. So we gave it the quick lick. So
alright, once I cinch and tighten this baby up, I'm grabbing the crab line, yo.
Alright, let's get this in the center here.
And a tie-in we will go. If any of y'all are interested in learning any alternative knots, let me know in the comments. I spent many years tying up all sorts of boats and fishing lures, from here to Kalamazoo. So the first thing we're going to do is make believe this is the reel to the fishing pole. As I thread this crab line on, this is how I would do it around the rail. Okay, I'm going to have this area here. Alright, boom, take a look at that. So I'm going to get a pinch here. Then I will take this, this crazy guy, make a hole here. The rabbit's going to go under and out. The rabbit, whoop. Slippery when wet. Under and out. Under and out. I'm going to go 4 times on this, okay? Then I'm going to pull this Now, like I said earlier, you can get it wet. We're out in the rain right now. It's getting wet, so it'll bind together. And then just pull it. Boom, boom, boom. And then you eventually start spooling up your new braid. So, pretty simple. I'm going to do it a lot quicker this time to show you how we can do it and how easy it is if you do it a few times. Grab it here, get a grip on it, take that, make a circle, and then go under the circle. 1, 2, 3, get her wet, okay, and then cinch it up. Boom, bam, powerful knot. You could use it for all sorts of things. So yeah, hope this helped you out. So next we're going to spool it up, but we're going to do this outside. All right, let's go. Hi, Beachers. All right, hold on, Beaches. Nice, huh? Who remembers that show in the 90s called MacGyver? I know you do. All right, let me know in the comments. Great way to work. Woohoo! Thought I had one for a minute. The fishing is good here at Studio Narvaez. And I'll probably burn a hole through my fingers, but it's all good. I've gone through worse. And actually mono and fluoro burns a lot harder on the fingers than this super braid. I guess that's why they call it super. All right, that's about enough for me. Sweet. Sweetness. So let's tie this knot one more time. I want to make sure everybody gets it. What we're going to do is we're going to make believe this is braided, the super braid line. And this is your reel, your spool. So we're going to tie this knot. Okay, let's make a circle. And we're going to take the rabbit, it goes up the hole. Back up, back up, back up. All right, then you would want to get this wet. Most people do a quick lick, but we're not going to do that here for you today. And then you pull on this, boom, and there's your knot, nice and strong. All right, and then from there, you start reeling your fishing pole. It all comes up, boom. Thanks for the video footage, Deanna. All right. So, super braid line, yo. Get it? All right. So the super braid from YO-ZURI, strongest braid, 40 pound, 300 yards, made in Japan, yo. All right. So there you go. It's Northwest Adventure signing out. And for the next video, I'm going to show you how to tie up some lures, some hooks, some weights, and maybe a crab snare up close or two. So working on a video now, other than this one, and actually a couple of them, of the Cruising Across America 2020 during a pandemic. So that will be coming soon. So stay tuned, my friends, and I appreciate all of you. And a quick shout out to Bill. I'll see you on the following Friday, brother. Peace.